Amazon FBA Canada. Is it still profitable? Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so this video is part 2 of the other video that I titled, I tried Amazon FBA Canada again after 5 years, is it still profitable? So this is the update video. So to get you up to speed, let me just give you a quick Coles Notes of what that video was about. So earlier this year, I got a unique opportunity to do Amazon FBA Canada again. And if you have been following the channel, you will know that I started Amazon FBA Canada Retail Arbitrage in 2016. I created a course on it, and in 2018, I actually ended up stepping away from Amazon FBA Canada and working on our YouTube business and our YouTube channel. At that time, I was doing it a little bit here and there, but the pandemic solidified that I was not going to be doing Amazon FBA Canada anymore because the way that I like to do it was the retail arbitrage. So what that basically means is you go into the store, you have the Amazon FBA Canada app on your phone, and you scan products. You scan the barcodes of the products and you see, can you be profitable or not? That was the whole name of the game for me. I liked going in there. It was like a treasure hunt. Obviously, the pandemic rolls around and it's not fun to shop at all. And I make the executive decision that I'm stepping away from retail arbitrage and Amazon FBA in Canada. But in 2022, I got a unique opportunity to start this up again. So I had a friend reach out to me. They called me and said, hey Jewel, I have a ton of extra inventory. It was like electronic type stuff. They couldn't use this inventory. They are a local business. Although it was brand new and unused, they needed to make room for newer inventory. If you know, in the electronics industry, things get old really quick. So if you have something that's a year old, it might not be feasible to use it anymore. And in this case, they had products that were 5 to 10 years old, still completely usable and brand new, but for the services that they were offering, they needed newer inventory. And they had hundreds and hundreds of pieces of items, all different kinds of things. And this stuff was not really for the general public. It was mainly niched type stuff. So I would say it was in the realm of trades. And so I was offered the opportunity to sell this stuff on Amazon FBA in Canada. I actually had no prior experience to this kind of product before, because if you watched my previous videos, I liked doing retail arbitrage with appliances and toys and games and things like that. Definitely not this kind of stuff. So I told my friend, I'll give it a try. I'll do the exact same thing that I did in 2015, 16, 17, and send your products into Amazon and let's see if it sells. Now in that first video, we were at $4,000 profit and they were really happy. My friends were really happy because they were just gonna throw all this stuff in the landfill. Like this stuff was like basically trash to them because they couldn't use it anymore. And so now, update, we are at $10,000 in profit, and my friend is extremely happy because literally all that stuff going to be thrown in the trash. And here's another cool thing. There were some products that I was not able to sell on Amazon for various different types of reasons. And I ended up taking those products and selling them on Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace. And so those products, I ended up doing $1,500. So in total, I've generated $11,500 for them. Now for me, this was a really cool random side project. It was kind of like I could have fun with it because, you know, they had all the product. I didn't have to go in the store. It was literally in a room at their warehouse and I could just have my phone and scan it. So it made retail arbitrage a lot easier because I had access to all the product right there. And it was just a unique opportunity to help my friend out. So basically what I did was I would show up once a week to their offices and they just had all the product like stacked in a room and I would just go and scan it. I would just go and scan the barcodes and see if anything was profitable. Now, I did have a little bit of a strategy in the beginning where I was looking at the products with the most profit and I would box those up first And each time I would be there would be once a week, like a 4 to 5 hours. And I would box up 1 to 2 boxes, and they would be the ones to bring it over to UPS. And then from UPS, it gets sent to the Amazon warehouses all over Canada. So I basically did that until all the product was gone. And then the sales started rolling in. And pretty much on a weekly basis, their products are selling on Amazon. So to answer the title of this video, is Amazon FBA still profitable? Yes. Yes, it is. And I'm not doing anything new. I literally am doing the exact same thing that I did in 2016, 17, and 18. I actually didn't even learn any new stuff about Amazon FBA in Canada. I just went off of my previous knowledge, and it still works. So if you're thinking about trying it out, testing it out, I would definitely recommend it and see if you actually like it. It is quite the manual process because you do physically, if you're doing retail arbitrage, you do physically go into the store, find the products, scan it, box it, send it, that kind of thing. So it is very physical, but if you like doing that kind of thing, then I would suggest trying it out. For me, in the long run, I stepped away because I couldn't see myself doing it. I do see myself doing videos like this, running our YouTube business, and running our company, Essetinomedia. So that's it for this video. Just wanted to create an update for you guys. Hit the thumbs up button if you thought this was cool, and I'll see you in the next video.